Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Chevy El Camino from the 2025 mainline. This is from the G case recently came out, and it's part of the Fast and Furious collaboration they have with Hot Wheels. Let's get right into it. Before cutting it open, let's just take a look at the box. We get to see the amazing car. I really love the art that they've put on the recent cards. It's way better than when I was collecting, which is just a generic car and the name of the car on the side. So there's not much value in keeping the card other than keeping the whole car carded, which is what some people have done to maintain the value. But I'm here to play. I'm here to see these cars in action and to roll around. Obviously, we get to see the Fast and Furious collaboration there. You can see the car's name, Chevy El Camino. This is actually specifically the 1967 El Camino. You get to see the licensing details at the back, GM official product, General Motors, I believe, and the Universal logo. Right, let's get into it. I did say in the previous video that I don't want this car, but after seeing it for a second time and seeing that, it's a pretty good looking car. I did get it at retail, so that is fortunate, though I did miss out on the discount that I had when I bought the BMW last time. That was for 10 ringgit, but this is like 10.90, so I spent like a ringgit more. Not a big issue, but something to note, because like the ringgits add up. 1 ringgit here, 1 ringgit there. Eventually you're in a mountain of debt. But yeah. Right, let's get the car out. Oh wow, it feels heavy. It feels heavy. Oh, something that I forgot to mention, that this casting is not new in 2025. It's just new to the mainline. This is first introduced in the Fast and Furious Series 2 series from the 2023, I believe, premium, or let me double check here. It might be like a silver series. This looks to be it looks to be like a special non-mainline version. You have to see, the first thing I noticed is that I'm not sure if that's scratches or that's like glitter on the windshield there. And the car feels heavy. It is a metal and plastic construction. This base is chromed plastic. And the wheel selection, holy shit. The wheel selection looks a lot better than compared to the first El Camino that they have of this casting. It had a what do you call that, like the 5 spokes, the 5 SPs, these wheels, and I really don't think it fits. Yeah. Let's start the walk around. Starting at the front here, we get to see the chromed out front bumper, and we see headlights, but unfortunately they are casted together with the internal plastic, so it's just a gray. The color of the car is a matte black, so it does cover up like body defects a bit, but on closer look, it's all right. Like, you can see that the door handles are kind of scuffed. On the side here, we can see these nice looking wheels. I forgot what they're called. Double check here. They are called the MC5s, and you can see no side mirrors. And at the tail end here, you get to see the gas cap and El Camino. At the back here, we get to see Chevrolet, the brand of the car, and taillight tampos, taillight details, which is rare. So I believe this will be hard to find, if not completely scalped. Yeah. And take a look at the right side here. You get to see the El Camino logo, and yeah, whole lot of nothing. It is a pretty bland car in terms of, like, how do you say this, even in movie significance or car itself, it's very plain, but it looks good doing so. It's like, you know, traffic plus, in my opinion. I understand that to Americans that the El Camino looks and you know is culturally significant, but to me, maybe I just kind of don't get it. So yeah. I forgot to take a look at the bottom here. You get to see 1967 El Camino. It's different from the box. It says Chevy El Camino here, oddly enough. Made in Malaysia. And yeah, some more codes. We do have exhaust from the base plate, and not much else. It's very plain at the bottom. Something to note is that the 2024 Decades of Fast version of this casting has a like cannon attachment, but since this is a mainline, we don't get much any more anythings other than the car itself. So I wonder if that will fit, but judging based on the fact that it is the same casting, the same body, it should work. You just have to find it and fit it in, or 3D print it yourself. Alright, give me a sec. Let's take a look at the weight. Like I mentioned just now, it is pretty hefty in the hands. Feels good, feels really good. This is 42 grams. That is absolutely crazy. Because most mainline casting never reaches 40 grams like this. See? And this is a heavy car. Right, so alright, let me set up the turntable to show you guys the car without my hands. Right, thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, please do let me know. And if you have any ideas of what cars you want to see that are from a future case, Malaysia Gets Cases Faster, do let me know too. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.